This is the time in our service where we do a meditation. So it's time to come to center, to focus our attention on our heart. Breathe into your heart. Feel the love and breathe out love. We breathe in love, the love of the universe, and we breathe love out again. We breathe in peace, deeply, letting it flow through our whole body. And we breathe out peace. This is the way that we participate in the flow of spirit. We deepen our understanding of spirit when we take time to turn within, to listen to our guidance, to listen to the quiet nudging of spirit in one direction or another. When we let the troubles of the world go outside and just focus on the truth of our being, we are love, we are light, we are one with spirit. And we take the time this morning to acknowledge that. And in this understanding, then, we focus on the prayer box, where people have put their concerns and their requests for communal prayer. And after 30 days, these are sent to Silent Unity in Kansas City to be prayed on more. We know that we are one in the Spirit, and we also know that God is everywhere present. We know that God's intention for us is only good. Our happiness, our well-being, our prosperity, our connectedness. God is love, and love loves us. And so we pray for the highest good of everyone who has put a request in the box. And all of those requests that you may not have gotten into the box this week, but that you also have on your mind and heart. Knowing when two or more are gathered in the name of love, miracles happen. And now I would like you to imagine light, the light in this room, expanding outward, touching all things with love and blessing. And we see the light of unity of Tulsa-Midtown shining out, an invitation to this place of peace. We visualize the sanctuary filled with souls who need the love, the light, the peace, and the sense of community, of like-minded seekers that this church offers. For we are all seekers on the path. Hold everyone in your heart and guide them here with your love. Send peace and joy to those in need affirming blessings to all beings everywhere. And so it is.